Welcome back to Audio Description for Beginners. This course is meant to teach you how to create audio descriptions and describe video using Closed Caption Creator. In the last video, we walked you through how to set up a new project in Closed Caption Creator. In this video, we'll learn how to manage our projects using both the Storage Explorer and the Local Storage option. Let's get started. By default, Closed Caption Creator will be configured to save project data to our cloud database. Project data includes your project name, event groups, and links to your media. We do not store the media files themselves, only the location of the media. This means if the media changes places or you open a project on a different computer, you may have to re-import the media. In order to save a project, you can go to File, Save Project, or you can click the Save icon in the secondary toolbar. This will open the Storage Explorer. You can navigate folders by either double-clicking on a folder or selecting a folder record and clicking the Open Folder button. When you're ready, you can click the Save Project button. A dialog alert will appear asking you to choose a project name. By default, it will use the project name you entered when creating the project. Wait for the project save notification in the bottom right to ensure the project is saved successfully. Now, whenever you click the save icon, the project will automatically save over your previous record. If you want to save a project copy without overwriting a previous version, you can go to File, Save Project As. If you prefer to save projects locally instead of saving them to our cloud database, you can open the general options by going to Edit, Options, and enabling Use Local Storage. This will force Closed Caption Creator to save to your local hard drive instead of using the cloud. Remember to click Save Settings. Now, whenever I click the Save icon, it will ask me to save to a folder on my computer. If you prefer to save your work to the cloud, but would also like to create a backup of a project locally, we provide the option to export a project file to local disk by going to File, Export, and selecting Project File. Local project files can be opened from your system's file explorer or using the Project Import panel. The Project Import panel is available by going to File, Import, and selecting Project File. Instead of opening a project, you can also choose to merge the project with the current open project. Go to More Options and check Merge Import. Options will appear depending on what metadata you wish to import. The last part I'd like to cover in this video is the automatic backup and restore functionality in Closed Caption Creator. If you forget to save or you accidentally overwrite a project, you can always restore your work from the automatic backup. Start by creating a project where your work will be restored. Go to Help, Restore Event Groups. Click the Reload Records option to load all recent records. Select a restore point and click Restore. New event groups will be created from the automatic backup. The automatic backup is a great option in case of emergency, but should not be relied on in place of saving your work. In this video, we learned how to save and manage our project files in Closed Caption Creator. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to preview and select synthetic voices for our project.